Hi, folks. Here is my latest stunt, which is a playable user navigation system. As you know, playable advertisements or playable content are getting more and more popular. So I was inspired by this idea and I wanted to create something unique. So I developed a no mouse click user navigation system. Using Three.js, I created this drone, and this drone fires bullets along a vector tree with the same angle and with the same position as the drone itself. It can fire in all directions. To fire a bullet in a like in a along a path with an angle was a bit tricky, but this is the result. And the drone can rotate like up or down or right and left. It can rotate in all directions and it can move in all directions. We can using ASD and W, we can move the drone, and using the arrow keys we can rotate the drone, and using the backspace we can fire. So the only way of clicking on something on this page is a successful hit. So let's say I want to go to this third option, and all I need to do is just to hit this three, like button three. It can be a button, it can be anything. Like when we hit this three, option three, we will navigate to it. So let's just try it. Maybe we can try hit it. Yeah, as soon as we hit, we are navigated to option three. Let's say I want to go to option two, maybe like this, or rotate. See, like on when we miss, actually nothing happens, as you can see, nothing happens. But if we successfully hit number two, we are navigated to another page. I just included some random um, links, so just for the sake of presentation, these are just random links. Let's say I want to go to option one. Let's try option one, and this goes to hepsiburada.com. Yeah, this is how it works. I hope you like the idea, and I think I will be creating more playable content in future. If you like the idea and this presentation, please feel free to give it a comment or give it a like.